If you're watching this video, there's a good chance you want to know how to craft your customer avatar, which is going to help you get better quality leads and sales into your business. Now, your customer avatar is something that you should have in your business, and maybe you haven't quite got that sorted and nailed down yet, which is why you're looking for this. And in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can do that. But why should you listen to me? Now, my name's James Nicholson, and I've run online businesses now for the last 15 years, and I've generated £20 million in online sales. But not only that, I've shared those strategies with students all around the world, and they've gone on to generate hundreds of millions of additional sales into their businesses as well. Now, how do you get this customer avatar working? Now, a customer avatar is really just your ideal customer. It's who you want to be working with. And what you need to do is you need to get inside the head of that avatar. You need to really, really nail down and work out, look at people you've worked with in the past and think about how you can find more of those people. So things that you want to look at are things like whether they're male or female. Their age is important as well. Maybe their net worth is important. And you need to fill out an avatar profile detailing all this stuff, because what that allows you to do is find more of those people online. With things like Facebook advertising, you can target people by age, you can target people by if they're married or not. Other things that you want to look at as well is things like the books they read, because you can target people that have read certain books on Facebook. For example, we like to work with people that have read Think and Grow Rich and Rich Dad Poor Dad is another thing that we do in our business. So think about that, because that helps you find that. Now, I want to make this easy for you. Rather than trying to work out what goes on that sheet, I'm going to give you my personal customer avatar sheet, because I think that would really help you get a faster result. So above this video, below this video, is a link where you can download your own PDF version of that and create a customer avatar for your business. It's one of the most important things that we do, one of the most important things that you should do as well. So do that now, get that guide, get that report, and get your avatar crafted and start getting more of those ideal customers for your business. That's it from me. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.